Unlocking the power of threaded equals true in SQLAlchemy with CX_Oracle. When working with databases in Python, especially with libraries like SQLAlchemy and CX_Oracle, understanding various threading options can significantly optimize your application's performance. Database connections are intensely I/O driven, meaning that efficiently managing threads can be the difference between a sluggish application and a smooth, responsive one. Understanding the parameters. Before delving into the interrelationship between SQLAlchemy and CX_Oracle regarding threading, it's vital to understand the components. SQLAlchemy is a popular database toolkit for Python, providing a full suite of tools for working with relational databases. CX_Oracle is a driver that allows Python applications to connect to Oracle databases, known for its capability to handle multi-threaded environments effectively. The threaded equals true parameter. In the context of SQLAlchemy, setting threaded equals true enables the use of a connection pool that supports multiple threads. This is particularly crucial in a multi-threaded application where you want multiple threads to efficiently share database connections without incurring the overhead of constantly opening and closing them. Does threaded equals true affect CX_Oracle's default? When using CX_Oracle directly, a common question arises: does setting threaded equals true in SQLAlchemy automatically change CX_Oracle's default state to threaded equals false? The short answer is no. When using SQLAlchemy to connect via CX_Oracle, the threading parameter in SQLAlchemy does not override or influence CX_Oracle's own threading configuration. They are parameters tailored for their specific context. SQLAlchemy's threaded equals true primarily affects how SQLAlchemy manages connection pooling and transactions. CX_Oracle's internal parameters are set during the connection creation process and, by default, allow for thread safety. In fact, CX_Oracle supports multi-threading by default, and operations on a connection/pool are thread safe. Synchronizing contexts for optimal performance. If your application design involves both SQLAlchemy and CX_Oracle, it's important to align threading configurations. While there isn't a direct intersection between the two settings, consciously setting both parameters ensures your application's behavior is consistent and predictable across the board. Explicit configuration: be explicit in your threading settings for both libraries to avoid any surprises. While CX_Oracle typically defaults to a thread-safe behavior, always recheck when your environment changes. Performance tuning: leveraging both libraries' abilities to handle threading can lead to better performance, especially in a multi-threaded application where database operations are frequent and varied. Conclusion: understanding and appropriately setting threading parameters in libraries like SQLAlchemy and CX_Oracle is crucial for building efficient, high-performance applications. Even though setting threaded equals true in SQLAlchemy does not directly affect CX_Oracle's configuration, knowing and aligning these settings can help you gain the most out of both libraries, leading to robust and responsive applications. Remember, database interactions can often become bottlenecks in large, concurrent systems, and optimizing these settings is your pathway to ensuring smooth operations across threads.